Wow, cute brush pen color. Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw a cute picture. Here I'm drawing a mama giraffe and a baby giraffe. This is a very cute and lovely picture. So let's follow me and try to draw with me. I completed all the picture. Now let's start to color it. First one I am using light green color. Green color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? This is light green color. Here I am using deep pink color. Pink color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? This is deep pink color. Let's use deep brown color. Brown color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? This is deep brown color. And the last one I'm using here, yellow color. Yellow color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? This is yellow color. Wow, the picture is looking so cute. You should also try to draw it. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video very soon. Till then, bye bye little gems.